Who did this movie? You know, you got like two different. You got two kicks in here.
Bro, let
right?
me listen to the music. Hold on. Let me hear the mix.
You got two kicks, two snares, two claps.
I don't know. I didn't do it. My homeboy here did it, so I don't know how he did it. I just exported the file. So I mean, however you mix it and it sound good, man, just do your thing, bro.
I know. I understand when you're doing a song like this. You have like in this, like I can pan and manipulate.
Yeah.
Driving, you know what I'm saying? I know how, you know what I'm saying? I'm into that world of double this, double that. I know about that. That's like little techniques, and you know, just want to talk it. But that drive, bro, let me tell you, they ready for this one.
Nah, okay.
I left all that crazy stuff in.
Hey, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's going out over the phone, man.
You hear what he doing?
Well, I hear it, man. It sounds good, my brother, for real. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that sounds good.
I'm gonna have him doing everything.
Come on, now, tell us what you're doing.
All right.
Oh, yeah, all that other stuff, yeah, I'm bringing all that in.
Oh, yeah, I already know. I already know. How you doing, brother?
All that right there,
Oh, yeah.